Yo, what's up? This is your boy DJ Aston here, back again for another video, guys. I've given you summer fragrances recommendation before, a couple of videos before, but I want to redo that one because I got a lot of fragrances on my collection that I want to share with you guys. That is really, really good. So I'm gonna make part by part out of this, and I'm gonna rate those fragrances from 1 to 5 stars. So today I'm gonna give you five fragrances on my collection that I would recommend you this upcoming summer. So let's get into it, guys. And for our first fragrance would be, yes, CK1. This has been around since 1994, guys, and this has been a staple fragrance on that generation for years now. So CK1 is a unisex fragrance that is fresh and clean. This is a unisex fragrance, guys. And this is all described as citrusy, green, slightly floral with the hints of spice and musk. So this is the scent profile of this one. This is a very versatile fragrance that would uh can be used for each and any occasion, guys. Very versatile, all year long fragrance, CK1. So this is a very good scent profile. Also a good compliment getter. But the problem is so many people own this one already, and the longevity and the performance of this one is below average, guys. So you have to reapply this fragrance uh, a couple of times to last you through the day. That is the only downside for CK1. But scent profile, I would give it 3 stars. But because of the performance, it's very below average. I would just rate this as 2.5 stars, guys. So CK1 by Calvin Klein. Been around for 1994, still one of the most selling fragrance. Problem is longevity and performance, guys. So CK1, 2.5 stars. So the next fragrance on the list would be, yes, this one, Lacoste Essentials. Yep, this is the least one of the least popular fragrance from the house of Lacoste. Why? Because I think because of the more popular, like the Lacoste White, Lacoste Black, this one has not been seen the light of day much. That's what I can say. But Lacoste Essentials is one of my favorite fragrances because of the sophisticated smell of this one. It's fresh out of the shower, like um shower gel type of fragrance, but this is relaxed, and this is also a bit sophisticated that even in the office you can smell more formal with this one. So this is a fresh formal fragrance for me that is very also versatile, that you can use each or any occasion, any place, anywhere, any time of the year. Lacoste Essentials. The performance and the longevity of this one is average, guys. So it will last you around 4 to 5 hours. Most of the fresh fragrances are like that, guys. 4 to 5 hours. Good compliment getter also. A bit sophisticated that you can use on the interviews or what. Fresh, sophisticated, a bit formal fragrance that is good for each and everyday use. So I would give this one 3 stars, guys. Lacoste Essentials, it's been out for a long time also, and it's also a very good compliment getter, guys. So try your nose on this one, guys. Lacoste Essentials. So the next one would be new one from my collection. It is this new one from my collection because this has been released a long time, but I never had a chance to own one of this one. So this is Coach. Yep. If you see, this is Coach New York Black because there is a blue one. So we'll just call this Coach Black. And there's a platinum one also, but I really like the first release, which was the black one. This fragrance is sophisticated masculine. So this is not leaning more on a feminine side, or I can say unisex side, but this is more masculine. This has a warm, woody, and slightly spicy scent profile. Fresh out of the opening, then down to that warm, woody, slightly spicy scent. And this is also a good performer, long lasting. It will last you 6 to 7 hours. So you would reapply this, I think, once if you want to last it the whole day. For a fresh fragrance, guys, this is already good performance, guys. The scent profile is very nice, a very good compliment getter also. And this one is also versatile that you can use even in winter, guys, because in winter, because of that woody, spicy and warm undertone of this one, it is also good in a winter on winter, guys. So this is Coach Black. I would highly recommend this one, and I would give this one also 3 stars. Coach Black. So for the next one, guys, would be, yep, one of the OG and always in the fresh fragrance space. Yep, Lacoste Pour Homme. So this fragrance has been out also a long time. I think early 20s or maybe late 90s. I don't know. I'm not sure, but this is um, a fragrance that has a Mediterranean luxury and masculinity. It's fresh, aquatic, and aromatic scent profile, guys. This is a very good performer that would last you 6 to 7 hours. Very, very good scent profile. Very good compliment getter. One of the top fragrances for summer, guys, is Versace Pour Homme. I really like this one. It's fresh, it's citrusy, it's invigorating. I really like the scent profile of this one. So this is Versace Pour Homme, and I give this 4 stars, guys. 4 stars for Versace Pour Homme. Yep. So the last one that I would choose for this segment would be one of the best fragrances released on the last decade, I would say. Yep, Versace Eros Eau de Parfum. You can go with the Eau de Toilette. You can go with the what do you call it? Versace Eros Flame. But for me, Versace Eros Eau de Parfum is a very good performer. It is sexy. It smells fresh. Smells like out of the shower. Very elegant. Very refined scent profile. Versace Eros, guys. And this is a big compliment getter. Girls love it. Even men that would smell you would love it. This is a very, very good scent for its price point, guys. It's not that much expensive like the other fragrances, but this guy is, I think, you can get in discounters below $100. Versace Eros Eau de Parfum. Very good compliment getter, long lasting, 8 to 9 hours. Absolutely. And this one would always give you good compliments, guys. Versace Eros Eau de Parfum. So that's it. That is our list for today's fragrances in my collection that I would recommend for you this summer. And wait, the ranking for this one: 5 stars, 5 out of 5, guys. Yep, one of my 5 out of 5 fragrance on my collection, guys. Versace Eros Puro. So that's it. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe because it would really help my channel to grow, and it would help me give you more fragrances. I could buy more fragrances for you, me to test out, and so I could recommend if it's good or no for these fragrances. I'm an average perfume enthusiast, so I don't delve on that breakdown of what notes are in it, but how do I feel if I wear it? If I feel good if I wear it, if I feel nice if I wear it, If I get compliments when I wear it, I don't care what the note breakdown is. I just want to smell good. And that's what most people want. To smell good, a good performer fragrance. That's it. So, guys, again, this is DJ Astiel. Please like, share, subscribe. God bless. Peace out.